COSLUS Electric Nail Drill. Your at-home nail tech in a flash. Why waste your time and hard-earned cash on overpriced salon visits when you can master flawless nails at home? The COSLUS Electric Nail Drill is your all-in-one tool for polishing, shaping, and removing acrylic, gel, and dip powder nails like a total pro. With adjustable speeds up to 20,000 RPM and 6 versatile drill bits, this powerful yet whisper-quiet machine tackles even the thickest nails and stubborn cuticles. No more waiting for appointments, get salon-quality nails on your own schedule. This isn't just another flimsy nail file, this baby means business. Made from durable metal, the COSLUS C40 A07 electric nail drill is engineered with an upgraded motor that minimizes noise and heat while delivering superior precision and control. Unlike bulky, overpriced alternatives, its pen-shaped ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it perfect for beginners and seasoned nail artists alike. Whether you're sculpting acrylics, tackling calluses, or prepping for the perfect polish, this tool does it all with ease. Salon trips can drain your wallet faster than a bad date, but not anymore. With the COSLUS Electric Nail Drill, you get unlimited professional quality manicures and pedicures without the ridiculous price tag. Plus, the quick-change drill bit system and 6.5 feet extended cable make nail care hassle-free and efficient. Need a last-minute touch-up before a big event? No worries, your nails will be red carpet ready in minutes. We know your beauty game doesn't stop at home. That's why this lightweight, portable nail drill is designed to go wherever you do, perfect for travel, work, or even an emergency nail fix on the go. Plus, it's made to last, with high-quality materials that won't overheat or break down like cheap knockoffs. No adapter included? No problem. Just use any standard 5-volt adapter you already own, because we're all about sustainability and convenience. Whether you're treating yourself or spoiling a nail-obsessed friend, the COSLUS Electric Nail Drill is the ultimate must-have for any beauty enthusiast. With adjustable speeds, 6 versatile drill bits, and a durable, easy-to-use design, it's the ideal blend of affordability, efficiency, and salon-quality results. Don't settle for weak, overpriced drills that fizzle out. Upgrade your nail game with COSLUS and let your hands do the talking.